Hi everyone, Ryan here. This video will be a tutorial on Helium 10 Cerebro. Essentially, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use Cerebro for competitor keywords. I'm going to talk about a crucial aspect of Amazon keyword research, which is finding the exact search terms that a specific product is ranking for. Understanding what keywords are driving traffic and sales to your listings is absolutely essential for optimizing your titles, bullets, descriptions, and the backend search terms. It's also a key piece of the puzzle when it comes to launching effective PPC campaigns. And before we hop into the demo itself, it's crucial to understand why keyword research matters. As many of you know, Amazon is essentially a massive search engine with millions of buyers using the platform every day to find products. And just like with Google, those buyers are using specific keywords and phrases to search for what they need. And as a seller, if you want to capture some of that traffic and those sales, you need to make sure that your listing is optimized for those exact search terms. But how can you do that if you don't even know which keywords to optimize for? And that's where a tool like Cerebro becomes incredibly valuable. In order to use Cerebro, however, you will need an account with Helium 10 and of course to purchase one of their paid subscriptions. And at the moment, these three plans are available within Helium 10. However, I would highly recommend going for the Platinum plan since the starter plan is a little bit limited. For example, you only have 5 uses for X-ray keywords and limited access when it comes to other tools like Cerebro and Magnet. If you want to get a sweet discount on any one of these plans, then go ahead and get yourself an annual plan. You would be able to save up to 25% with them. And to make the deal even sweeter, you can use our code ThriveMedia20 at checkout and enjoy 20% off for 6 months, or Thrive Media 10 and get 10% off every single month. If you're serious about your Amazon FBA business, then you definitely need to get one of these plans, and there is no need to miss out on any of these discounts. Moving on, let's go ahead and use Cerebro for our own keyword research. To get started, you will obviously need to log into your Helium 10 account and then navigate to the Cerebro tool. You're going to find it in the Tools menu under the Keywords section. Once you're in Cerebro, the first thing that you will need is an ASIN. This is the unique identifier for the product that you want to research. It could be one of your own products or a competitor that you want to analyze. For this example, I'm going to select this random product off of Amazon. Let's see what kind of keywords our top competitor is ranking for. So I'm going to grab their ASIN from the Amazon listing page and then paste it into the search bar in Cerebro. And before you hit search, you would want to point out this checkbox for exclude variations. This is really important if your product that you're trying to analyze comes in different variations like colors or sizes. And if you leave it unchecked, Cerebro will show you all of the keywords that any of the variations are ranking for. But if you only want to see the keywords for a specific variation, then of course you want to make sure that this box is checked. After hitting search, you will need to wait a few seconds and then you will see the full list of keywords populate in the results table. And right here you can see how in this case Cerebro has found the number of keywords, organic, paid, and the rest will be a combination of the two. So the organic keywords are the ones that the product is ranking for in the regular search results, while the paid keywords are the ones it's showing up for as a sponsored ad. You will notice that the results are sorted by organic rank by default. This is showing you where the product ranked in the search results the last time Helium 10 checked that keyword. Keep in mind that these ranks are updated on a rolling basis, so they may not match exactly what you see if you search the keyword yourself. You can hover over the rank column to see how recently each keyword was updated. Now, if this is a competitor product, you probably want to know which keywords are most likely driving the bulk of their sales. And generally speaking, those are going to be the keywords where the product is ranking on the first page, or at least the top couple pages of the results. So to drill down to those high ranking terms, you can use the organic rank filter on the left. I usually start by setting a maximum rank of 50, and this will show me only the keywords where the product is ranking in the top 50 results. And right away, you can see some really valuable insights. For example, you can see that this dog toy is ranking in the top results for high volume keywords such as dog toys no stuffing, stuffless dog toys with squeaker, and the stuffless dog toys for aggressive chewer. To actually see what the ranking for our product is, simply hover over the keyword, so like this one. And as you can see, the dog toy that we have right here is ranking on number 3 for this keyword. You can also see the top 10 ranked products for the same exact keyword. And generally speaking, those are going to be the keywords where the product is ranking on the first page, or at least at the top couple pages of the results. To drill down to those high ranking terms, you can use the organic rank filter. And the way you can use that is that you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom, scroll all the way to the right, and then you can see the organic search position. And then if you click on that, it's going to rank them from highest to lowest, or from lowest to highest, however you choose. So just from a quick glance, you can start to get a sense of which keywords are likely generating the most traffic and sales for this product. And that gives you a roadmap for which terms you might want to try to optimize for or bid on in your own campaigns. Another way to surface high opportunity keywords is to filter by search volume. This metric estimates how many times per month Amazon buyers are searching for a particular keyword. So generally, the higher the search volume, the more potential traffic and sales that keyword represents. But that's only if you can actually rank for them, because high volume keywords also tend to be a lot more competitive. With Cerebro, you can use the search volume filter to set a specific range that you want to focus on. For example, I might set a minimum of 500 searches per month if I only want to see keywords with a substantial amount of volume. You can play around with the range to find that sweet spot of keywords that have good volume, but also are not insanely competitive. And if you combine this with the rank filter, you can find the keywords that have high demand and your product is already ranking well for. In addition to the organic rankings, Cerebro also shows you the keywords a product is bidding on for sponsored ads. This can be really useful competitive intelligence to see which terms your rivals are throwing money behind. So to see the only paid keywords, you can select sponsored from the match type filter on the left. And this will filter out all of the organic keywords and show you just the ones that the product has paid ads showing up for. And as you can see for this product right here, the paid keywords is 0. So using this filter on this product is not going to yield any results. But when using this filter, you might notice that a competitor is bidding on certain keywords that you hadn't even thought of. Or maybe you will spot some opportunities where a keyword has high volume and the competitor is ranking well organically, but they're not running any ads. Insights like these can help you fine-tune your own keyword strategy and find untapped opportunities to gain a competitive edge. Once you've uncovered some promising keywords through Cerebro, there is an option to easily export the results to an Excel file for further analysis or sharing with your team. Just hit the export button above the results table. You can also save keywords directly to a list in Helium 10 to track your rankings over time. And you can even get alerted to any significant changes. To do this, just check the box next to any keyword that you want to save, select Add to List from the drop-down menu. And from here, you can create a new list or add the keywords to an existing one. I recommend creating a new list for each product or research project to keep things organized. And once your keywords are in a list, you can easily monitor your organic and ad rankings, as well as any movement up or down over time. It is a great way to measure the impact of your optimization efforts and then spot any issues or opportunities as they arise. And with that, we have covered the basics of how to use Cerebro to uncover the keywords a product is ranking for on Amazon. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know in the comments if you have any other questions. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.